Detoxifying the body is essential for maintaining optimal health, especially in today's world where stress, processed foods, and environmental toxins are common. While the body has its own detox systems, supporting these with natural methods like nutrition can enhance their effectiveness. Detoxification is simply the process of removing harmful toxins that accumulate in food, the environment, and internal processes. Regular detoxification can improve digestion, boost energy, strengthen the immune system, enhance mental clarity, and support healthy weight management. Incorporating certain foods into your diet is one of the most effective ways to aid the body's natural detoxification process, providing essential nutrients and antioxidants that promote overall well-being. Best foods to detoxify the body. 1. Turmeric. Mostly used as a spice in diverse dishes, turmeric possesses many detoxification benefits. One such benefit is aiding the liver in the detoxification process. The liver is the major organ responsible for processing toxins into harmless substances that can be excreted from the body. Turmeric can support liver function by boosting the activities of the enzymes involved in the detoxification process. Moreover, the curcumin content in turmeric can help protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Turmeric can also help improve digestion to support the elimination of waste products from the digestive tract. In addition, turmeric possesses antibacterial qualities that can enhance gut health, which is beneficial for the detox process. 2. Celery. Celery is a powerful detoxifying food packed with beneficial nutrients. Its high water content supports kidney function by keeping the body hydrated, which aids in toxin elimination. Additionally, celery's fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, helping to expel toxins from the body. Rich in vitamin C, celery also boosts the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to clear out harmful compounds. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries possess high antioxidant content, which is beneficial for the detoxification process. They contain vitamin C, anthocyanins, and flavonoids that can help the body get rid of free radicals. By eliminating these harmful compounds, blueberries can aid the protection of cells, prevent inflammation, and support overall detoxification. Furthermore, blueberries have a high dietary fiber content, which can boost digestive health. Fiber can help promote regular bowel movements, ensuring that the body gets rid of waste and toxins promptly. Fiber also supports gut health, which is beneficial for the detoxification process. 4. Green tea. To rejuvenate and cleanse your body, consider drinking green tea. Rich in antioxidants like catechins, green tea enhances liver function and supports overall detoxification, even helping to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins such as alcohol. Additionally, green tea promotes hydration, crucial for flushing out toxins, and its diuretic properties encourage urine production, reducing bloating and improving kidney function. 5. Apples. Another food to cleanse and rejuvenate the body is apples. Apples are loaded with fiber, which can help boost the functions of the digestive system, including supporting regular bowel movements. They also contain pectin, a kind of fiber that can help bind and remove toxins from the digestive tract. Moreover, apples contain malic acid, which can help enhance the functions of the liver and improve the body's ability to detoxify. Consuming an apple daily can aid digestion and overall help cleanse the body of toxins. Enjoy apples as snacks, in salads, or in smoothies. 6. Lemon. A natural detox is incomplete without lemon. Rich in vitamin C, lemon boosts the immune system by supporting the production of glutathione, a key antioxidant for liver cleansing. Lemon also helps balance the body's pH levels and improves digestion. It stimulates bile production, aiding in the breakdown of fats and the elimination of fat-soluble toxins. Additionally, lemon's mild diuretic properties promote urine production, further supporting toxin removal from the body. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural body cleanser and possesses many medicinal properties. Garlic contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which can boost the production of enzymes responsible for detoxification in the liver. It helps in activating enzymes like glutathione transferase that help filter toxins from the body. Garlic can also support the detoxification process by decreasing the risk of inflammation so that the organs involved in the detoxification process function optimally. Moreover, Garlic supports the functions of the immune system, and a strong immune system is necessary to eliminate infections and reduce the effects of toxins in the body. Garlic also supports the production of digestive enzymes to support the timely elimination of waste products from the body. 8. Beets. Beets, with their vibrant color, are an excellent detoxifying food rich in powerful antioxidants like betalains. These compounds, which give beets their deep hue, protect cells from free radical damage, aiding in detoxification and rejuvenation. Beets also contain betaine, which supports phase 2 of the body's detox process, where toxins are made water-soluble for easier elimination. Additionally, beets promote gut health and support healthy digestion. By incorporating detox into your lifestyle, you can help enhance both your mental and physical health by reducing the body's toxic load. From vibrant colored beets to citrusy lemons and the flavorful goodness of herbs like garlic and turmeric, these foods offer diverse nutrients that can help boost detoxification and enhance overall wellness. By including these foods in your diet, you can elevate your energy levels, improve digestion, and help cleanse and rejuvenate your body.